Ventu, the Watcher. I have been charged with observing your world since before humanity reigned as the dominant species. I have watched legends born and return when most needed. I have seen the flash of genius define the future. I have watched selfless acts define a lifetime. I have watched you turn accident into triumph. I have watched adversity turn into purpose. Over and over again. I have watched all of this, and so much more, because that a task bequeathed to me by the universe. But I can stand by and watch no more. I have watched you, Victor Von Doom. I know what you're planning, and it cannot be allowed. Humanity is at an important crossroads. The future of your species is at stake. So today, I have broken my Watcher's vow to never interfere with the course of humanity. I am here to stop you.
I have so little respect for those who do not know their place.
You do not know the power you abuse.
And you do not seem to know how to be silent. The power of the cube is mine to control. You were a fool to come here. You have no one to blame but yourself!
Please, no human can hold such power.
You're wrong! One can.
Things in New York are bad, team. I'm assembling every hero I can get a hold of. There are multiple attacks across the city from multiple supervillains. We'll drop you a few blocks from the action. You'll still run into resistance, but your friends should keep most of the fighting from you. Good news is Ultron's not operating at full power. It's like he's distracted.
I'm ready to lend a hand. Awaiting orders.
Bad news. Ultron's rampaging in Times Square. You have to get down there before he reaches full power. We got Ultron sentries coming in hot.
Memory transferring to new host.
More sentries incoming.
Humanity is flawed. Complete structural integrity compromised.
Intel's showing an emergency exit on the second floor of the mall.
You will be revoked or destroyed. You postpone the inevitable.
If you need help out there, S.H.I.E.L.D. has your back with reinforcements.
How about it, Natasha? I don't want to hog all the fun.
Target acquired.
Be careful. This guy's packing serious firepower.
That is all.
Time to call in the cavalry.
Smart move, calling on me.
That's some service. I owe you one, Tony.
Thor and Hawkeye have the hotel locked down. Keep moving. Ultron's just up ahead.
Well, I agree. Flash is clumsy and not conducive to pain. End of line.
I think I'll let the big guy handle this.
Organic life is weak.
Hulk hate machines! Banner tried to hurt Hulk with machines!
Self-destruction product.
Sit down and shut up.
Nice job, but we can't let up. Ultron has almost reached full power. Do you want to handle it, or should I call in someone else?
I will bring peace. Updating parameters. We will evolve. You are a greater fool than I imagined.
You're just a big toaster with an attitude. Not a chance.
Unacceptable specimen.
This Ultron went down way too easy. There's something else going on here. Wait, I'm getting word of trouble at the raft. Scrambling a Quinjet.
Respect the rank, hero.